Dear friends, today I will tell you how to teach numbers from 1 to 10 to the kids. That means foundation course for primary students. For example, there is notation and physically objects. We have to teach like that. That's why they can assimilate the essence of that numbers. For example, here this is, we put here one, and this is 2. If we tell 1, we have to show the object of one box here. Here 1, this is 1, and now it is 2. See, these are 2 boxes and this is 1 box. Okay, now this is 1 box and this is 2 boxes. 2, this is 1. Now 3, we have to put here 3 boxes in a bundle. 1, 2, 3. This is 3. This is 3 and this is 2 and this is 1. Okay, now see here 1, 2, 2 boxes, 3, 3 boxes. Okay, now this is 4. We put here 4 boxes bundle. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this is 5. Now we put here 5 boxes. Okay, now here 6. Now we put 6 boxes here. 6 boxes bunch here. 2, 3, 4. Here is the 6 boxes bunch. Okay, now we put here 7. This is the symbol for 7, and physically we keep here 7 boxes bunch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Yes, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now see 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now this is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now here we put here 8. The same way we put here 8 boxes bunch. 1, see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now 9. We put here 9 boxes bunch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 9. See 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now say, this is 1. Behind this 1, this box is here. Behind this 2, there is 2 boxes. Behind this symbol. Behind this symbol, there are 3 boxes. 1, 2, 3. And there are 4 boxes behind 4. This is the symbol for 4. And physically, we have 4 boxes. And this is the symbol for 5. And there are 5 boxes here. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now there are 6 boxes bunched. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this is the symbol for 6. Physically, we have 6 boxes. And this is the symbol for 7, and we have physically 7. And the 7 boxes are behind this 7. The same way, the 8. This is the symbol for 8, and here we have a bunch of 8 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The same way, there are 9 boxes bunched. The symbol is 9. This way, we can teach numbers to the kids, and we ask them to put. We put a number and we ask them to take the consequent box punch. For example, if we put here 5, if we put here 5, we ask, put here 5 boxes bunch. The children counts the boxes 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Took this bunch and put here. This is 5. The same way, we ask them to put 2. That means 2 bunches box. Then the child take this 1. This 1, 2, here 1. The symbol is same, the symbol. That's why he put this 2 boxes here. Okay, the same way, we can also ask by putting 6 boxes bunch and put the symbol of this 6. We ask them. They put here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put here 6. This is the symbol for these bunches. In this way, we have to drill them. And next one is, we can say ascending order and descending order also with these boxes. For example, ascending order. For example, order. Array A, arrange numbers in ASCE, then DI and ascending order. For example, if we give it as like this, arrange the numbers in ascending order, 6 to 5. What are the numbers? 6 to 5. First of all, we ask them to place the 6 boxes bunch at 6. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6 numbers bunch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, na? Next, we ask them to put 2 boxes bunch here, 1 2 here. Again we ask them to place here 5 boxes bunch, 1 2 3 4 5. Now you ask them to arrange these 3 bunches according to their height, from lower to higher, small to big. That means which is the less height bunch. He observes and put this, and then you take this, which is the next to highest bunch. That means he puts this 5 figures here, and now you put this bunch also here. This is the order from lower to higher. This is smaller than this, this is smaller than this. The same way, this is bigger than this, this is bigger than this. Now we ask him to put the notation of this bunches. That means here, how many boxes are here? How many? 2. You put here 2. And how many boxes are there? 1 2 3 4 5. How many boxes are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here this 2 is smaller than this 5. This 5 is smaller than 6. That's why from lower to higher. This is ascending order. We put this symbol here. For descending order, okay na? For descending, yes, E N descend, B I N D. Order. For descending order, put the same figures from higher to lower. Okay, now for descending order, for descending order, you arrange these boxes as height wise from top to bottom. That means higher to lower. First of all, as per the heights, this is the higher than these 3 numbers, and next one is this one, next one is this one. Now you put the numbers here. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is 6, and these are 1 2 3 4 5, and this is 2. Okay, now this is 2, and this is 5, and this is 6. Now as per the heights. This is 6 and this is 5, this is 2, and this one is greater than this, and this one is greater than this. This is called descending order. That's why we can explain ascending order and descending order also with these boxes. Okay, na? Again, see, this is, see, numbers. Again, count numbers. This is 1 and this is 2. 1, 2. This is 3. 1, 2, 3. This is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And now 9 is the biggest number among all these numbers. See, 9 is the biggest number among all these numbers. And 1 is the smallest number among all these numbers. This is the smallest number in single digit is 1, and which is the highest number in single digit is 9. Between 1 and 9 there are 2, 3, there are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Thank you, listeners. Thank you.